Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will be guiding you on how to keep your network running smoothly by updating your Wi-Fi drivers. So let's start by heading to the search bar on your computer and typing Device Manager. Once it opens, look for Network Adapters and click the drop-down. From there, locate Microsoft Wi-Fi Virtual Adapter. This is where you can check your device status. In our case, everything is working properly. Next, click the Driver tab at the top and select Update Driver. You'll have two options. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Now, it's essential to ensure your computer is connected to the internet, as the system will need to download any updated drivers from Microsoft's servers. If your driver is already up to date, you'll see a message saying, the best drivers for your device are already installed. However, if there's a newer version available, it will begin the update process automatically. This quick check ensures that your network drivers are always current and your Wi-Fi connection is running optimally. Thanks for watching.